Wi-Fi. Hey, Champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where learning becomes easy and interesting. Today, we're unlocking the magic of home automation, where your house listens, learns, and works for you.
Home automation is when everyday things in your house, like lights, fans, TVs, or even doors, are controlled using technology. It's like giving your house a brain that follows your commands.
Here's something to think about. Why should we use it?
Why should homes be smart? Because it makes life easier, safer, and cooler. You can turn lights on/off with your phone, lock doors automatically, control AC with voice, save energy.
But where does it really show up in our lives?
Smart homes are everywhere. Alexa or Google controlling lights. Smart fridges reminding you about milk. Security cameras sending alerts. Automatic sprinklers watering plants.
Let's rewind the clock. When did this story start?
The concept of smart homes originated in the 1970s, marked by the introduction of remote controls. But with Wi-Fi, apps, and AI, it has become super advanced today.
So, Champ, next time your light switch is on with just your voice, remember, it's home automation making your home smart. Got a cool smart home idea? Tell us in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, little genius. Bye-bye!